Hi students, welcome back. This is Plus 2 Computer Application Part 7 video. Before getting into the video, please do subscribe. In the previous class, we have learnt about MySQL and how to install XAMPP server and administration responsibilities of MySQL and the administrative commands of MySQL. And in this class, you are going to learn about MySQL Administration open source software tools and how to design database and what is structured query language and its types. So let's get started with the first topic of today's class, that is MySQL Administration open source software tools. See, there are so many software tools available in the market, especially to design database in a better and efficient manner. So here we do have popular web administration, that is PHP My Admin. So this is the web administration software tool, and we do have popular desktop application tools. So desktop application tools, there are two popular desktop application tools. One is MySQL Workbench and Heidi SQL, that is SQL is said as SQL. So these three are the popular software tools. The next topic is designing databases. So let's check how to design the database. So there are three major parts that forms a database. They are table, query and views. So we all know what is a table. Table is similar to Excel sheet that contains multiple rows and columns. And what is query? Yes, it is a question with multiple condition posted to the database. So we are creating tables to store the data. And later if you want to retrieve the data from the table, you should frame the queries so that you will get the data. And what is view? View is a set of stored queries. So we will be learning all about this, how to create a table, how to enter data, how to update the data, how to delete the data, all the process you will be learning in this class. Now let's learn about structured query language. So structured query language is a standard language used for accessing and manipulating databases. It is a standard declared by American National Standard Institute (ANSI) in the year 1986 and International Organization for Standardization, that is ISO, in the year 1987. There are different SQL commands used to perform different functionalities. So based on that, we do have 5 different types of SQL commands. That is, first one is data definition language, second one is data manipulation language, third one is data query language, and fourth one is transaction control language, and finally data control language. So these are the major classifications of SQL commands. So let's see one by one. In data definition language, we do have 5 different commands. First command is create. So create command is used to create the database and the tables. If there is any modification in the table, created table, you have to use alter command. Or if you want to delete the entire structure of the table or the database, you are supposed to use drop command. And if you want to rename any column name or the database, you have to use rename command. And truncate, finally the truncate command is used to delete all the records in the table. Remember, it will delete only the rows present in the table, not the structure of the table. Entire table will not be deleted. And then data manipulation language. So after creating a database and a table, you can insert the row to the table, you can update the existing data, and also you can delete the existing data. See, all these three commands are called as data manipulation language. I repeat, insert means inserting new rows to the table, update means modifying the existing data, and delete means deleting the row present in the table. And then we do have data query language. So data query language is select command. So this command is used to retrieve data from the table. And the next one is transaction control language. So this transaction control language is used to save the changes permanently in the database. We do have four commands. One is commit. Commit is used to save the data permanently. And rollback. Rollback is used to restore the database to the original form. And set transaction. So set transaction, you can set read or write permission for the users. And then save point is like bookmark. Wherever you want, you can make a save point so that it will be saved temporarily. And if you want to save all the data permanently, you should give commit command. And the last one is data control language. So data control language is used to implement security for the databases. Here you can grant the permission for the user or you can deny the permission, that is revoke the permission regarding creating table or to view the table. All these permissions you can grant or you can deny. So grant means give permission to specific users. Revoke means take out the permission. So we have learnt about open source software tools and structured query language and its types. So that's all for today. Thank you.